Welcome to part 3 of this mini-series of videos explaining how to set up and use BRadmin Professional to configure and monitor Brother devices over the internet through Microsoft Azure. In part 1, I explained how to create the necessary resources in Microsoft Azure. A link to it is now on your screen. In the previous video, I then explained how to use these Azure resources when setting up BRadmin, which, when used to manage remotely connected Brother devices over the internet, is referred to as BRadmin Master. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create and install the client version of BRadmin, which is one of two ways to get remote Brother devices communicating with Azure. In the next video, I will explain the alternative way by getting Brother devices communicating with Azure direct. In the final video, I will return to the BRadmin Master in order to view remotely connected devices. Links to all these additional videos are in the description. Let's get started. From the BRadmin Master, which I already installed and configured in part 2, I'm going to hover the mouse pointer over my customer's Azure profile. Then click the 3 dots next to it, which will reveal a drop-down list. From this list, I will select the Export Client INI file option, and then type a security password, which will be used to protect the BRadmin client. I will show you what this looks like later. To confirm this password, I will click the OK button, which will then prompt me to select a suitable location where BRadmin can export a client settings file to. After choosing a location, I will click the Export button, and then click the OK button to close this little pop-up window. I now need to copy both the exported setting.ini file and BRadmin installer to each of my customers' remote networks. In this example, I will start with their branch in Manchester. With both the installer and INI file in the same folder, I am going to install BRadmin in the usual way, by following the wizard and accepting all the default settings. At the end of the installation, the Device Discovery pop-up menu will appear. Eventually, it will change to this pop-up, where I will press the OK button to confirm the installation. I am now going to open BRadmin and click the Devices tab. Here I can find information about the devices BRadmin was able to discover, as well as the identity of the computer running it, which by default is the computer's hostname. This doesn't really mean anything to me, so I'm going to change it to the actual name and location of my customer by clicking the Settings button. Since BRadmin is locked using the password I created earlier, I need to click the Unlock button and type the password. After clicking the OK button, I now need to click the Azure Connection tab, which will allow me to change the client's identity from this to this. In part 5 of this mini-series of videos, where I revisit the BRadmin Master, this name will be used to identify each client. To confirm this change, I will click the OK button, which will return me back to the dashboard. The BRadmin client for this particular branch is now ready. In the next video, I will show you how to get devices communicating with Azure without requiring the BRAdmin client. Thank you.